In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Whatever you decided, when you're ready to create an audio file and add it within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then start recording thanks to microphone 1. Restart if you need to, or end your recording by tapping on the same middle button. You can listen to it, and if you need to, restart it anyway to start over. When you're done, just hit attach. If you want to add already existing audio file, hit this plus at the bottom left corner and tap on Files. This way you can find your file by scrolling down here, tapping on one of those apps, hitting audio at the top, or clicking on those 3 lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, tap on your file and wait. If you want to create a video one, use this icon of a photo at the bottom left corner and operate camera section at the top. The minute you will stop recording, your video will be automatically attached. If you want to pick already existing one, tap on the same icon of a photo, click on it here, or if you can't find it, scroll down and scroll down and use all of those options here. You should see some, I don't know why I can't. Let's try again. Here, you should see photos, collections and the search bar. Then tap on your video and when you're ready, hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!